The question of Earth's uniqueness is one of the most fascinating and complex inquiries humanity has posed throughout the centuries. Earth is our refuge, the place that shelters us, and, so far, the only known planet capable of supporting complex life forms as we know them. However, as science advances, the question of whether we are truly alone in the universe continues to gain importance. The search for extraterrestrial life and the exploration of so-called exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars outside our solar system, offer new perspectives but have yet to provide definitive answers. The immense distances separating us from other worlds, technological challenges, and uncertainties about habitability conditions present extraordinary difficulties while simultaneously stimulating unprecedented curiosity and a desire for exploration. So far, despite remarkable progress, there is no concrete evidence of the existence of intelligent extraterrestrial life. The cosmos is so vast that, even with countless planets and stars, the possibility of intercepting signals from distant civilizations remains an enigma. However, scientific research has opened new horizons, suggesting that life might be more common than we imagine. Indeed, the discovery of planets located in the habitable zone of their stars, a region where conditions might allow for liquid water on the surface, has raised hopes of finding worlds similar to Earth. Life, as we know it, depends on an extremely precise combination of factors, and Earth is the result of an extraordinarily delicate balance. Earth's position in the solar system is fundamental to its ability to support life. Situated in the Sun's habitable zone, Earth is far enough away to avoid being too hot but close enough to allow water to remain liquid, an essential condition for life as we know it. If Earth were closer to the Sun, its surface would be too hot to sustain liquid water. If farther away, the water would freeze. This delicate balance underpins the favorable conditions for life. Beyond the right distance from the Sun, Earth benefits from a series of other characteristics that make its environment unique. The presence of a moon that stabilizes Earth's rotational axis is one of the most important aspects. The tilt of Earth's axis determines the seasons and influences the planet's climate. Without the moon, Earth's rotational axis could oscillate unpredictably, creating extreme climate changes and making life much more difficult. Additionally, the gravitational pull of Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, acts as a natural shield, protecting Earth from impacts by asteroids and comets that could otherwise threaten our existence. Another crucial factor for life on Earth is the composition of our atmosphere. Earth is the only planet in the solar system with an atmosphere rich in oxygen and nitrogen, essential gases for the respiration of living organisms. Furthermore, the atmosphere acts as a filter, protecting Earth's surface from harmful ultraviolet rays from the Sun and contributing to maintaining a stable average temperature through the greenhouse effect. Without such an atmosphere, Earth would be too cold at night and too hot during the day to support complex life forms. Yet Earth, despite its uniqueness, is not isolated in an empty universe. Scientific research has led to the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars. Thanks to space telescopes like Kepler and TESS, Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, scientists have identified planets located in the so-called habitable zones of their stars, where conditions might be similar to those on Earth. These planets have been identified primarily through transits, the passage of a planet in front of its star, which causes a slight dimming of the star's brightness. Despite the extreme distances of these exoplanets, their discovery has generated excitement within the scientific community, suggesting that Earth-like planets might be more common than previously thought. Kepler 452b, discovered in 2015, is one of the most notable examples of an exoplanet that could be similar to Earth. About 1,400 light-years away, Kepler 452b orbits a star similar to our Sun, and its year lasts 385 days, very similar to Earth's. The orbital and physical characteristics of this planet suggest it might have conditions suitable for hosting liquid water on its surface, making it an ideal candidate in the search for habitable worlds. However, its great distance makes direct exploration impossible, at least for now. Another exoplanet of great interest is TRAPPIST-1F, located 41 light-years away. This planet is slightly larger than Earth but has a lower mass. It completes an orbit around its star in just 9 days, suggesting that its surface temperature might be similar to Earth's. However, its proximity to the star could result in one side of the planet being perpetually exposed to light, while the other remains in permanent darkness, making climate conditions difficult to predict. Nevertheless, the possibility of liquid water cannot be excluded, and research into its atmosphere is ongoing. TWA-700d, discovered in 2020, is another exoplanet that has generated great interest. This planet, located in the habitable zone of its star, might have mild temperatures ideal for supporting life. With an orbit of 37 days, TWA-700d is in a region of the universe that could be more favorable than other exoplanets closer to their stars. Other planets, such as Kepler-22b, located 600 light-years away, and Kepler-186f, orbiting over 490 light-years away, have characteristics that make them potentially habitable, with favorable surface temperatures and surfaces that might host water. However, despite these promising discoveries, the possibility of colonizing these worlds remains an immense challenge. The enormous distances separating us from these exoplanets, uncertainty about their atmospheres, and the difficulty of interstellar travel pose insurmountable obstacles with current technology. Additionally, the environmental conditions of these planets might differ so significantly from Earth's that colonization by humans could be challenging, if not impossible. In conclusion, while the search for Earth-like exoplanets continues to yield new discoveries, the possibility of finding a truly similar world where life could thrive as it does on Earth remains an open question. Science has made enormous strides, but answers to fundamental questions like "Are we truly alone in the universe?" are still far off. Nevertheless, exploring the universe pushes us to consider that life, in forms different from what we know, might exist elsewhere. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with future content.